Saudi Arabia's embassy in Berlin has been decorated with Islamic State's flag and images of the so-called DAESH bank. Murad Gazdiev's here with me now to tell us more about this news that's coming. Well, we're looking at those pictures now as you join us, Murad. What do we know about this? Looks like a projection.
Well, they didn't quite get it center, though. I think the message gets across that they were trying to send, and it's no surprise that it's the Saudi embassy that this projection appeared on. After all, there have been allegations now for years of Saudi Arabia, its businessmen, its citizens, financing Daesh, financing...
This is a pretty bold thing to do in the center of Europe, isn't it?
Well, it is Germany, you know. They have, at times, odd laws on freedom of speech, but in this case, they're pretty well protected. Nevertheless, they're again trying to shine a light on Saudi Arabia and its role in financing international jihadism, Wahhabism. Saudi Arabia rejects outright any part in financing ISIS. But, you know, the question is, we've seen these allegations in headlines. WikiLeaks has released cables, even Hillary Clinton accusing Saudi Arabia of financing Daesh. Is there smoke without a fire, and can that smoke keep coming for years? Well, now, obviously these artists believe that Saudi Arabia has some sort of role in financing Daesh, though they're part of the coalition that's fighting them. So with, you know, just shining a light on the issue that they feel strongly about.
Who do we know, what do we know about this group that's done this stunt?
Well, this isn't the first time they've done this sort of thing. Just recently, Erdogan, the president of Turkey, was on the Turkish embassy, and he was styled after Hitler. Again, these artists were, in this case, trying to you know, shine a light on the issue that Erdogan is behaving in a very authoritarian even manner. Obviously, they're very upset about this case of a German poet now in a lot of trouble for writing a very offensive poem about the Turkish president. And in this case, they obviously feel strongly about Saudi's ties with Daesh.
Just to clarify, here on the face of this, very embarrassing for Saudi Arabia, their embassy, this projected onto it. Has there been any official comment from them, or not yet, about it?
Not yet. We haven't heard anything from them yet, but without a doubt they'll denounce this sort of thing.
Yeah. All right, Murad, thanks for the update on that. Cheers.